Doncaster's market, thriving but not as busy as it used to be. Here, as across much of the UK, wages have been tightened and squeezed, and the butchers have felt the impact.
People have tamed it down a little bit. They've bought mince and stews, cheaper cuts, and probably treat themselves for like such as occasions as birthdays, Easters and your Christmas. Christmas was very good, but after Christmas it was very quiet, so I think that's how people have budgeted themselves.
This market got burnt down, recession, which lasted well over a year, and this is the worst it's ever been now. Every one of those we bounced back, and really we did really well. The trade were fantastic when we bounced back. At this moment in time it's been 2 years going downwards, and I don't think we've hit bottom yet.
And one of the main problems is the balance between the cost of living, inflation, and the speed at which our incomes have gone up. For more than a year, inflation has been rising faster than wages, which means our money just doesn't stretch as far. Inflation now stands at 2.7%, but today we discovered that wages have gone up by 2.8%, so if only by a tiny fraction, our money should be going further. But it is only a fraction, and a year of squeezed wages has already had an impact.
There's no doubt the wage squeeze affected consumer confidence in this country, and that in turn had an impact on retailers, whether they're market traders or some of the best known names in the high street. There's a Toys R Us just down the road that will close its doors for the final time on Friday. So if real wages are recovering, that is important, especially as right now so many people across the UK are in jobs.
The unemployment rate today fell to its lowest level for 43 years. But what's odd is that normally when the jobless rate is that low, wages go up much faster. So what's happening?
The structural changes in the economy, the decline of trade unions, the move to service sectors, smaller employers and so on, and the very weak productivity, even though may have turned a corner, have all pushed down on wages ever since the financial crisis, even before then.
Strawberry, 3 more for £1 strawberry.
Our economy is crucial, it's big and it's noisy, but it's also still fragile. Adam Parsons, Sky News, Doncaster.